This exam application tutorial is on photosynthesis. The question for 6 marks is explain how a leaf is adapted for photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is a chemical reaction or a process that plants carry out to produce sugars from sunlight. To do this, they have to react carbon dioxide and water. Now, this can be a little bit of a misleading question because you could technically talk about carbon dioxide and water in this question because they are needed for photosynthesis, but in exams, generally speaking, when they ask this question, they're really asking about adaptations in terms of capturing light. So to translate this question, list features that a leaf has that help it capture light and explain how each feature listed is suited to capturing light. It's another adaptation question. So the first thing is listing the feature. The leaf is broad and flat. This creates a large surface area, 1 mark. And how that helps it? It helps it capture light. So it's more likely to capture light, or there's a greater probability of light rays falling on a leaf if it is large, broad and flat. Secondly, leaves are very thin, so light can easily penetrate the leaf. You can see if you stand underneath a leaf and sun's pouring from above, you can easily see through the leaf. So it allows light to penetrate the leaf and allows photosynthesis to happen everywhere possible in the leaf. The upper side of the leaf contains many palisade cells. These are palisade cells and they're right at the top so they can basically meet and greet light as it arrives. Palisade cells contain plenty of chlorophyll, these green dots here, for photosynthesis. So chlorophyll is basically a light-sensitive pigment, which is where photosynthesis occurs. So the feature is palisade cells, and we've explained why it's useful because they contain chlorophyll for photosynthesis. So you can see light falling onto those palisade cells and photosynthesis can be carried out. So very easy, we've explained 3 features or listed them and explained why they're useful to the plant in terms of photosynthesis.